Situated on the banks of the Derreen River at the Acuan Bridge, deep in Ireland's ancient east, the Haroldstown Dolmen is a tomb as magnificent as its surroundings. Convex hillsides populated with sheep roll off into the distance, while the river babbles along close by. It was probably built by the farming community of this area more than 5,000 years ago, and the chamber of this tomb would have been filled with the cremated ashes of those who lived there. This picturesque burial site consists of 2 portal stones, a large stone door and flanking stones. 10 supporting stones with a large 4-metre capstone all add up for a large burial chamber. Its history isn't confined only to the ancient, as there are rumours that a family lived in this tomb during the Great Famine of Ireland from 1845 to 1851, which saw widespread death and destitution across the countryside. It is excellently preserved and stands as a beautiful example of Megalithic Ireland's burial customs and should definitely be on your list of ancient exploration. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you learned something at Lux Historia. Thanks for watching.